Alright, so what we will do is look is to head over to assetstore.unity.com, and then we will look for player preference editor and utilities. So this plugin has been in the market for some time, and I have tested it several times and I liked it. There are tons of other plugins as well in free and paid space, but this is something I have used. And so you can simply type PlayerPrefs like this, and then there are tons of plugins that will show up. These are all the plugins that are that have showed up, and you can select the price to free, and then these are some of the free plugins that you can use. And player preference JSON, again this has tons of rating behind it. 88 is a lot of rating. 88 people have rated it. 77 people have given this plugin 5-star. So this is something you can check as well. And screenshots will show how they are and how they look. So this is the player preference editor, and you will simply after being logged if you're logged in here through your account, you can simply press open in Unity from here, and then this will show up inside you. If your Unity is open, this will show up import 1.12 project, and once you do it, it will add this folder to your project, player preference editor. And once you have imported, right, so if you can go to this is player preference editor, and it has also features. The main purpose that we are using it is so the player preferences, that is our game progress, can be viewable inside the editor as well. So inside window, now this is added player preference editor. As you can see, so far we haven't added any value here, such as player name or anything similar. So what we will do is head over to docs.unity3d, and there we will try to get player pref. We will type player pref like this, or do it in scripting. Player pref, yeah, this is player preferences. So this will be used to check if we have any value stored in our game as well. So let's start with int, which will tell the levels that we have cleared. So simply we will do this. This is SetInt, and this is this is GetInt, and this is GetInt, and next would be the SetInt one. So they are being used. They should be used in a combination. So a key name and a value. So first thing we will do is inside our populate scroll thing. So if we can do this in the earlier start part. So if key name is, say, levels cleared, or levels cleared, yeah, so put the 0 here. So now the levels cleared are 0, and then in the GetInt part, Yeah, so first before setting this value to 0, we will check if this is not null. Instead of set, just type get. So if this level cleared exists or is not equal to null, then so this will by default return 0 if no value is found for the given key. So we can type is equal to 0, then we will set the player preference to, so by default this is null, so we don't have to do this. And what this means is that it knows that the level is cleared or 0, so we don't have to put any value here. But for, for but to show you that we can use this, I will simply type give the value to 1, and now if I play it, window player pref editor, and put it somewhere here, and now if I play it, so this is the new thing that we added on the player preferences, saved up, got saved in our registry. So every program that is running on a window has some values or data stored in a registry of a value on a registry of your computer. This is stored on a registry of your computer somewhere on the hard disk. These are the data that is stored on your hard disk. This you have to know, you have to keep in mind. So now I will delete it, and what I will do is comment this and try to get this here again. So if this is the level data, then you have to show this current level, populate the current level only. And I minus 1 is equal to this. So let's store this into an int. Yeah, and I minus 1 is equal to and we need to comment this out. So sorry, to put the better brackets here, so it knows which operation to execute first and which in the end. So we put this in parentheses here again. Now if everything is fine, it should be able to populate the current level, which is level 0 here in our case. Yep, so this is the level which is it is showing. Even though it shows this thing here now, if we change this to heck of a run, this level won't be able to show, so we need to make a function that will be able to show the right details. So to do this, simply make a updated function here. We'll make an updated function here, public void update level bar or level panel update, and inside this we can so this is what is showing by default in start, which is kind of fine, but we can also do this through so yep, so yeah, so this is fine, I guess. Yep, so we will see next video what we can do from here.